Hi guys, this is Magnolia again. See my closet? Isn't it fly? Snoopy, you gotta move. Don't do this. Okay, Maggie, go get it. Snoopy! Snoopy! Move! 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 Here! Snoopy! Maggie, go get yours. Look in there. Maggie! Magnolia! In there. In there, Maggie. Oh, I gotta get dressed for the morning. I always gotta get dressed for the morning. Boy, I have to get dressed in the morning and get up. Hi, this is Magnolia again. I'm looking for my clothes. Where are my jeans? There my jeans are. Sharp, aren't they? Where's the pause button? Up here. Okay, I gotta get a good shot of you. Look in there, Maggie. Look in there. Hi, good morning. This is Magnolia. Spoiled as usual. Looking for my clothes this morning. We got some new fly jeans in my closet. Check me out. Check me out. How cool is that? Just got it the other day. Sharp, huh? Where is pause? I can't find pause. Hey, Snoopy. Man, get out of the way. I'm trying to get dressed here. I gotta... Snoopy. Oh. You know, you are so rambunctious. Hi, this is Magnolia again. As you can see, I gotta get up, get dressed. Got some new fly clothes in my wardrobe. Got some new jeans. This is what my mom bought me the other day. Boy, isn't that fly? Just for me.